Welcome to my channel, and today I will show you about food and drink matching. I've passed the courses of beer and food matching, and what I would like to say. If you've got some kind of beer or wine, I don't know what this wine and why it's written in Korean, then what you can say about matching. Let's try it. Okay, you can probably match it with some seafood, fish, and if it will be red, you say it probably will be matched with wine. But it's not really much information. But when you open the world of the beer, then the matching opportunities start to be much better. For example, in Philippines, San Miguel start to produce chocolate lager. It is quite interesting lager. It's not really pure good chocolate lager, but it's quite decent taste. So let's try it. It's so nice taste. So let's feel it. Yeah, let's try. It's pretty nice beer, and it's got very strong chocolate aroma. I'd like to say it's more like a stout rather than lager, because the stout appearance is quite strong here and no lager notes. But what about matching with some ingredients? Look what I've got. Just vanilla ice cream. Very simple ice cream. But you can take a spoon of this ice cream. Let's try to take a spoon of this ice cream and add to this beer. And this matching will be absolutely perfect and delicious, because this beer is just created for ice cream. It's so nice and so tasty, and it's increase your palates, and it's increase your opportunity to have new drinks. And no wine can be matched with ice cream. It's only beer. Only beer can give you this opportunity. So if you find some kind of mild sweet stout like raisin stout, or even better chocolate stout, then try to match it with ice cream. It will be a very good combination. Enjoy. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and wait for new interesting video about food and drinks in Philippines and England. Thank you. Bye.